Hello and welcome back. So we're still on our one Abus a day. So today I reached into my Abus bucket that I got from Jusso Suvanto. He sent me a bunch of Abuses, and today I picked out this one. It's a 6560. So beautiful, beautiful lock, nice and heavy. That 50 is the 50 millimeter, 65 is a series model. So it does have a key. Key works perfect. Nice Abus on the key. Come on, focus. There we go. Nice Abus on the key, and a pretty good bitting on this key too. So there's the bitting for it. So highs and lows. Either way, let's put it in the vise and see what we got here. Let's see. That is the bigger Yale style keyway, so I should be able to use my 30 thousandths probably. I think that one is right there. Tease it is. And let's grab my gem. Zoom in for you. You guys can see any kind of false sets that I get, since they're typically full of spools. I'm gonna do what I normally do, start in the back of the lock and find myself a binder. The 4 is no, maybe not. How about okay, 1 is binding. Come on. There we go. Finally got him set. Kind of high cut. No. Okay, I just touched 2, went into a even deeper false set, but now I'm getting counter on him. And I just pushed him up and lost my false set. I probably didn't get him set all the way. Kind of sticky in this lock. Come on. There we go. Got it back. 2, a little bit deeper. Search for my counter. Counter on 3. Okay, I got him set, but I lost my false set. Somebody's got to give it back to me here. It was 1, and it was open. All right. That's a very different kind of Abus. That one took a little bit longer, a little bit more work there. I think the pins are kind of a little sticky in that one for some reason, but that was pretty interesting. Thank you, Jusso, for an awesome lock. That was the Abus 6560. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time, and don't break the law.